we have a logo made from 3 circles, which are concentric circles. They all have the same centre. Okay, Daisy says that exactly 1/3 of the logo is shaded, and we are asked if she's right. Okay, we've got to show all our working, so let's do that. Let's find the fraction that is shaded, which we will do by finding the shaded area and dividing it by the total area. Okay, so let's find that shaded area. The shaded area is, well, it's the area of the medium-sized circle. How big is that medium-sized circle? Well, its radius is 4 plus 3, which is 7 centimetres, minus the inside circle, which has a radius of 4 centimetres. Okay, so the shaded area is, I've got a little formula for the area of a circle over here, like you need it. Of course you don't. It's pi r squared, you knew that, so that's pi times 7 squared minus pi times 4 squared. So that is 49 pi minus 16 pi, which is, well, 49 minus 16 is 33 pi. Okay, and that is in square centimetres. What's the total area? Because we need that as well. Well, let's just have a quick look at the radius here. The radius of the big thing is 4 plus 3 plus 3, which is 10 centimetres. So that's pi times 10 squared, which is 100 pi. And so the shaded fraction, or the shaded fraction, let's just call it that. The shaded fraction is the shaded area, which we decided was 33 pi, over the total area, which is 100 pi. And using my green cancelling pen to cancel the pi's, we see that that is 33 over 100. Is that a third? No, it isn't, because that would be 33 out of 99. So although she's very close, she's wrong. So we can say Daisy is wrong. And we've shown our working very clearly to get 33 out of 100 and show that that's not equal to a third. Nice try, Daisy.